5 Japanese SUVs sit under $15,000 right now, reliable and cheap to maintain, and almost nobody is buying them. Meanwhile, buyers are overpaying for mainstream names that do not hold up any better on the lift. I have spent decades watching people chase badges instead of engineering, and the 5 vehicles on this list prove that habit costs real money. Starting with a Toyota that most shoppers do not even know exists. Number 1, the Toyota Venza from 2009 to 2015 is the quiet bargain in Toyota's lineup that almost always gets overlooked. Most buyers never realize you can pick up a near-luxury Toyota wagon for thousands less than a RAV4, while getting the same engineering and, frankly, a better ride for highway use. Under the hood, you will find either a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a 3.5-liter V6, both chain-driven, so there is no timing belt to replace, ever. That is an instant savings of $800 to $1,200 over the life of the vehicle. The V6, in particular, gives you strong passing power and a 3,500-pound tow rating, which is rare at this price point. Used prices right now range from around $6,000 for a higher mileage 4-cylinder to $12,000 for a well-kept 6 with all-wheel drive and leather. That is $3,000 to $5,000 less than a comparable RAV4, and you are getting more features for the money. On the repair side, the Venza is about as cheap as it gets for a mid-sized Toyota. RepairPal pegs the annual unscheduled repair cost at around $525, sometimes even less if you stick to basic maintenance. But there are 2 issues you have to watch for. First, Toyota issued a technical service bulletin for a VVT oil line that can develop a pinhole leak on the V6. If it has not been replaced, you're looking at a $500 to $1,000 repair out of pocket, since it was never a full recall. Second, early models had a steering column bolt that can loosen and rattle. Another service bulletin covers that, but again, it is not free unless you are under warranty. Neither of these are deal breakers, but if you are shopping used, ask for service records showing both fixes. Otherwise, you are looking at a vehicle that delivers Toyota reliability, low running costs, and a more comfortable ride than the badge-hyped alternatives without the RAV4 tax. In second place, the Lexus RX 350 from 2007 to 2009 brings luxury and value down to a mainstream budget. Most buyers do not realize you can get a Lexus badge and a well-built Toyota-based platform for less than a base model C, RV, or RAV4, especially if you are shopping under $15,000. Used prices for these RX 350 models typically range from $7,000 to $13,000, depending on mileage and trim, putting them squarely in the sweet spot for a value-focused, long-term buy. Under the hood, the RX 350 runs a 3.5-liter V6 with a timing chain, not a belt. That single detail saves you at least $1,000 in maintenance over the life of the car. There is no scheduled timing belt replacement, just basic oil changes and fluid checks. According to RepairPal, annual unscheduled repair costs average about $550 per year, which is actually lower than what you will pay for a newer CRV or RAV4. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Lexus among the most reliable luxury brands, and the RX 350 powertrain and chassis are nearly bulletproof if you keep up with routine service. The all-wheel drive system is robust, and towing capacity matches the Venza at 3,500 pounds, plenty for a small trailer or boat. But there is a catch. The most common complaint for these years is dashboard cracking, especially in Sunbelt states. Lexus did issue a warranty extension for some vehicle identification numbers, but most examples are now well outside that coverage window. Replacing the dash can run $1,000 or more at the dealer, though some owners live with the cracks or use aftermarket dash covers to hide the problem. If you are shopping used, check dashboard condition, look for regular oil change records, and verify that the cooling and transmission fluids have been serviced. Skip any RX showing signs of neglect. If you find a clean example, you are looking at a luxury SUV that costs less to keep on the road than most mainstream crossovers and delivers a quieter, more comfortable ride for the money. Third on our list, The Mazda CX-5 from 2013 to 2016 is the go-to for buyers who want modern tech without the repair bills that haunt so many crossovers. Mechanics consistently point to the CX-5 as the segment's repair cost champion. According to RepairPal, this Mazda posts the lowest annual unscheduled repair cost in its class, around $447 per year. That's not just a little better, it's a full $100 less than a Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V from the same years. For used buyers, that means real savings over the long haul, especially if you're handy with a wrench. Every CX-5 in this range runs a 2.5-liter Skyactiv 4-cylinder with a timing chain, not a belt. That's critical. No $1,000 timing belt change lurking at 90,000 miles. The engine's design is simple and robust. It uses regular 87-octane fuel, and there is no turbo to worry about. Owner reviews back up the reliability claims, averaging between 4.3 and 4.6 stars out of 5 on major sites. A clean 2015 or 2016 model typically sells between $10,000 and $14,000 depending on trim and mileage, well below what you would pay for a comparable RAV4 or CR-V. But the CX-5 is not without its trouble spots. Early 2016 models had a technical service bulletin for excessive oil consumption, usually tied to a faulty oil pump seal. If you are shopping, check service records to confirm the seal was replaced. Another common issue is premature failure of the LED daytime running lights. And another technical service bulletin covers this, but it is a dealer-only fix that runs about $200 out of pocket if not done under warranty. Neither issue is a deal breaker, but they are worth asking about before you buy. For the do-it-yourself minded, basic maintenance is straightforward and parts are widely available. If you want a modern, safe, and genuinely affordable Japanese SUV that most buyers overlook, the CX-5 from these years is tough to beat. Subaru Forester models from 2014 to 2018 offer families in snowy regions a rare combination: standard full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive without the premium price tag. There is no need to chase a specific trim or pay extra. Every Forester in this range comes ready for winter, while most competitors offer part-time systems at a higher cost. That is a major advantage for those who need real traction when the weather turns. There were reports of CVT shudder and hesitation. Subaru responded by extending the transmission warranty to 10 years or 120,000 miles. This coverage applies even to second or third owners. If a 2015 Forester develops issues at highway speeds, repairs are handled at any dealer. An NHTSA recall for CVT clutch shudder was a concern, but the warranty extension means buyers are not left exposed to major bills. For used buyers in this price range, that is a rare level of protection. Prices typically range from $8,000 to $14,000, depending on mileage and trim. Thousands less than a comparable RAV4 or CR-V with all-wheel drive. The Boxer 4 engine uses a timing chain, avoiding the costly belt service older Subarus require. Still, it is important to check for rear brake pad wear, especially if the car has seen mountain driving or towing. Rear pads and rotors can wear faster than expected. A full brake job may run $300 to $500. Regular CVT fluid changes are also key to long-term reliability. JD Power rates Subaru as average for reliability, and annual repair costs hover around $530, making the Forester a practical all-wheel drive choice for families who want capability without overspending. The Mitsubishi Outlander from 2014 to 2020 stands out as the only Japanese SUV under $15,000 offering 3 rows of seats and the possibility of a transferable 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That third row is not spacious, but it is a lifesaver for families juggling carpools or growing kids. Most rivals at this price are 2-row crossovers, so the Outlander's extra seating and cargo flexibility set it apart. That value shows in used prices. Clean 2016 to 2018 models usually fall between $8,000 and $13,000, often undercutting base RAV4s or CRRVS, while offering more room and features. The Outlander's powertrain warranty is its ace, covering both the 2.4-liter four-cylinder and the less common 3.0-liter V6. Both use timing chains, so there is no looming belt replacement. The V6 model pushes towing up to 3,500 pounds, enough for a small trailer or boat, while the four-cylinder handles lighter loads. Owner ratings average 3.8 to 4.1 out of 5, solid for the price, though not quite at Toyota's level. That warranty is a big part of the Outlander's appeal. The catch is the CVT. Mitsubishi recommends changing the CVT fluid every 45,000 miles. Skipping this maintenance can lead to shudder or failure. There is also a 2019 recall, number 19V212, for a transmission control unit issue, fixable with a dealer software update. Service records showing regular CVT fluid changes and recall completion are essential. For families needing maximum seating and warranty protection on a tight budget, the Outlander delivers. Just keep an eye on transmission maintenance. Across all 5 SUVs, one thing is clear: the market still rewards a familiar badge over proven engineering. These overlooked models outlast and outwork pricier rivals, but most buyers miss it. In the end, smart ownership isn't about hype, it's about knowing where the real value lives.